Hey, I'm gonna do something pretty cool. I'm gonna show you what's in my professional makeup bag. This is very personal. I'll show a lot of people this. Not in detail. Let's walk through it. So, great eyeliners and lip liners. These are the Artist Color Pencils by Makeup Forever. These are very, very good because they're a multi-use product that you can use for anything on the face. And then to the left of those, we also have by Makeup Forever. These are their Aqua Resist. These are like their waterproof pencils. Also great for the eyes, the lips, anything. You know I love a good Bobbi Brown cream eyeshadow stick. And then one of my favorite liquid liners is by Mario. And then moving on, we'll stay up here in this real estate, is the Hourglass concealers. These are some of the best concealers on the market. Let's talk about foundations. If you want something sheer, I love Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Foundation. It comes in a wide range of shades. I also love Dior. This is kind of sheer to medium and very buildable. This is the Dior Backstage Concealer. And I also admire how deep their shades go. If you are looking for full coverage, I personally like the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I use this on my brides and people that need full coverage. As far as powders, my setting powders, my bronzing powders, all my powders, I basically use the Pat McGrath loose powders for everything. And I also use her under eye powders. These are great for a touch-up when I'm going like somewhere on set or in the bag or the purse. They're finely milled. They're gorgeous. Check out the yellow one. It's really good. So Pat McGrath powders. I also have Dior powders, which I realized recently, I think they discontinued them because I went to Sephora and I went online. Wait, where are my deeper shades? Okay, here we go. So yeah, very good Skin But Better powder, but they don't make it anymore. But they do make this. This is very popular. This is their highlighter palette. So if you want a little glow, these are really good, very beautiful. Speaking of glow in cheeks, these are my blushes, the Rare Beauty blushes. I have, I think, every single shade except for maybe one or two. We got some randos in the back. Oh, foundations, one of the OGs. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, one of the best foundations in the world, hands down, will always be. It's very, it just looks like skin. It's so pretty. I should have wore this. Yeah, this is pretty. If I'm gonna do full coverage on myself, I personally will wear all of these, but everyone has its own purpose. And I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like a mood or a vibe. Kind of like when you select a purse for an outfit. Like, I don't know which purse just makes sense. It's just the purse I wanted. I also like Fenty bronzers, some of my good favorite bronzers. And I have something back here, the Charlotte Tilbury situation. I think this is, I use this to kind of contour some of my lighter tone clients. It's like a number 3. It's a very cool shade. I clearly need to get another one. Lip products, Milani. What else do we have? Oh, some color correctors. Also Charlotte Tilbury. I have some skin prep. I think this is a face moisturizer or eye cream by Charlotte. I have her setting spray, travel size. As far as primers, I like Milk primers. I like this is their Hydro Grip, people that have dry skin. And excuse the messy bathroom. This is the Milk for oily girls and boys. So these are my primers. And of course, the One Size setting spray is really good. All right, let's take it to the top. Take it to the moon. Oh, Disposables. This is eyelash mascara wands. And then I also have lip wands. Everything's disposable. We don't double dip around here. And again, this is for my clients. This is not mine. And then I have this little box right here that has beauty blenders and sponges. And then when you close this top, like so, like that, lift this up. And I took it out. It's really cool, but where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I usually keep my eyelashes, I stack them, and I put them right there. And then up here, I have some eye patches. I have some cotton pads. I have the Anastasia Brow Book I've had this for so many years, and it's like, if another makeup artist out there, I have had this for so long. She's so dusty, but she's so reliable. And yeah, I should probably just throw that away. But I love it because you can refill them, especially as artists. Like I might be going through the chocolate one faster this year than I do the soft brown one. But to be honest, y'all, I've never had to replace any of these. Maybe I'm light-handed. Who am I kidding? I'm not light-handed. And then, ooh, this is a really good Lawless eyeshadow palette. Very nice. Very, very nice. Then what else do we have? I'll clean all that up later. And then I have some more triangle puff sponges. I got these little black bags off Amazon. And then this is a lip palette by Mario. And those cool shades I love, and warm shades, because I can adjust and make any lipstick in the world that I like with those primary colors, the black, the white, and then those primary colors. I can adjust it to add to any of these. And then we got a good old red. And then some more eyeshadow. This is the Mario palette. Oh yes, this is my chrome one. Rarely reach for this. When I tell you rarely, but every now and then I do. Somebody wants to get a little fancy on me. And then last but certainly not least, this is the OG. I reach for this all the time for every single client. This is the Mario palette. This is the Master Mattes. And this palette is called the Master Metallics. So yeah, I am a true Mario eyeshadow girl, it looks like. And I like his lip palette. And that is it. Oh, one more thing. The lip mask that I have in my kit for, let me turn, oh, wait a minute. Yo, this light is so fancy. Hold on. Okay, warm me up a little bit. This is by, it's time to go. All right, I will talk to y'all later. NARS lip balm, really good. Okay.